Hello, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Hello, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Share with Beautifiers. So today I woke up and I saw a trendy video. I said no, I have to do this. But before I proceed, sorry, I've not been posting, I've not been too strong, and I've been busy, kind of, a lot of things has been taking my time, sort of. So not that I don't have a lot of videos to post. I have a lot of video to post, and I have a lot of stories to tell. But now, this is it. I woke up to this trending video. There is nothing we are not going to see in Nigeria. Yo, there is nothing we won't see in that country. You see, these are one of the reasons why a lot of people, once they travel, they don't like to come back to that country, honestly. How can you use your hard-earned money? Of course, we all know that it's not easy to make money. So how can you use your hard-earned money to buy a car? Then at the end of the day, just for you to fill it up, you will go and use your money to buy water. Like, seriously? Our country, Nigeria, don't use love give you every time from one comedy to another. This one will not be Buhari issue. This has to do with an individual. So how do us want the country to move forward? With this kind of dubious character, with this kind of selling water. You are selling water in the filling station, petrol station, not water station. Water. They didn't even think about at least when they put water, it will knock someone's engine. Something that was built to use fuel, it will not be using water. They didn't think of the consequences that will come with it. They didn't even think of the consequences that will come with it. Like, seriously? What? My people, watch this video as you are watching the video. We'll be talking about it. It's really sad. Like, seriously. Fuel. Why is every something in Nigeria defense? Nigeria were intelligent people, we are smart, But why is it that even the Baba don't start from that country? Why? This one now don't start. This one just started his own. Every other person will follow suit. Don't you think so? Every other person will follow suit. It's really sad. Like,
What will be the name of this filling station abeg? Everything water. Let me pump it. Let me see. Everything, all the tank, everything, water. Jesus. Water, everything, water. Everything, water.
Yes, now.
Please do it, let me see. Do the video. See, water. Water, see, water. What are you saying? They're not going to see water.
Well, show the name. Let them show them. That's water.
This is water. They've been selling water. Now. This car
from the season.
And all these are water. They've been selling it into business. This is my car. These are water selling from their noses. Hey!
That's not the place.
I watched the video. I watched it over and over again. So I was like, no, I can't just skip this. I have to talk about it. I have to talk about it then. Let me, post it and let my people know also. It's really sad. Yo. And the funniest part of it is people started, as in when the crowd was not getting too much, the people in charge of the filling station, I guess, I didn't really see them. The cameraman did not really video them, understand? The people that were there, I think the workers, I guess, they wanted to run this time. Wait, they run, they go. Riot, don't stand with that. But could it be, no, joke apart, could it be that it was underground, like water, drainage water, that I don't know. Could it be it was a mistake? Or, I don't know. What do you think? Do you think that water entered into their underground drainage and they did not know? What do you think? Because, but honestly, if there is water in their underground drainage, like if there is water, are they not supposed to be checking their product before selling? They are supposed to be checking their product before selling. Or they are not supposed to inspect it. Because me, I don't know. Like, check. Even if it's every morning, every 2 days. That's the work of the manager, né? It's like, you are there to manage the filling station, right? They're supposed to be checking their products. Because I know that they usually check their product. But I don't think it's every day though. But seriously, what went wrong? Because even the workers but on the other hand, come to think about it, on the other hand, it seems that they knew what they were doing. Because the workers there, they didn't say anything like to say, oh, is it what? At least when you don't know anything, like you are guilty conscience free. How will I put it? Like your conscience is clear, your conscience is free. Yeah, that is the correct word to use. Like you know nothing about something, it will take you unaware, like something that just took you unaware and you didn't expect it. You'll be surprised. You get it. But I didn't see that. I didn't see that. Like for example, or they were scared to even say a word. Because I was thinking, if they didn't know anything about it, because I don't just want to follow one route, if they didn't know anything about it, while they were pumping the nozzle, like they were seeing that water was gushing out. You get it? The sales boy or the sales representative, as the case may be, the fuel attendant, as the case may be, but he or she is supposed to say, hey, water, we didn't know, you'll be surprised. Then you say something, it's water, we didn't know, it's a mistake, or maybe water entered our reserve from the underground drainage, understand? Water enter our reserve, we didn't know, stuff like that. Be remorseful. But in this case now, but I didn't see anything like that. That means they actually knew. Which kind of money did they find? Like, seriously. What sort of money are they looking for? People are looking for money by hook or by crook. Like, you want to knock people's engine? Like, seriously? You want to knock people's engine? Just for you to be successful. Hey, if engine knock, can't finish now. How much is fuel compared to what you are going to spend in buying it, replacing your engine? It depends on the car. Do you know how much is engine? Maybe you go to filling station, you buy fuel, 15,000, 10,000, 5K, 3,000, even 1,500, as the case may be, or even 500 naira. But if you want to change your engine, that's not the case. Person they sit down, use your hand, take cause problem for yourself. I fear that country. I fear that country. Not that we don't say good things about it, but We see Google things, of course. When we see Google things, we try to talk about it. We try to, you know, go viral, let people know about it. For this one, like, my dear, I said no. Only me cannot see this one alone. Only me cannot see this and keep it to myself. I have to share with Beautifier's family. I have to share with Beautifier's family. They need to see it. Share with Beautifier's family. They need to see it. I said no. Let me share this thing. What do you think about this thing that they are? I don't know. I don't know. What do you think? What do you think about it? Do you think it was water from underground that actually entered their reservoir or their reserve whatsoever? Or do you think they knew about it? They just want to make money fastly, like fastly, sharp, sharp, no stress, just shortcuts. Let's just sell water for today. When we sell this water for today, whichever money we make, this one is okay to solve the issue. Let's sell water, at the detriment of people. At the detriment of people. No, honestly. If not for the journalists that actually exposed them, people were still there to buy fuel. They were there to buy fuel, not knowing that it was water that they were selling for them. Naija, my country. I hail now. I hail now. Naija, my country. I hate thee. Yo. This is very serious. But I don't really know what happened though. Although I saw the video. Like, let's be sincere. I saw the video. I watched it again. I was like, are you sure? The first thing that actually came into my mind is, are you sure there's no leakage underneath? Like, there's no leakage on the underground? Like, water enter into their reserve? That was, my husband said, no, go talk this thing for everybody, they will gather beat. Why are you supporting Batty, this woman? I said no. I just have to, weigh my options and, think out of the box. Like, you understand? And he made me to understand that the manager is there. And it's true. You understand? And I said, yeah. But my first thought was maybe something went wrong under the ground. You understand? In the ground they dig before they store the stuff. I was thinking something went wrong, and later I have to, naturally that's how I think. You understand? If I see something, I'll have to think it through, like left, right, center, backward, everywhere. You understand? I don't like concluding on things. Just the same way I'm not concluding on this. I believe more of these stories will come out. I believe the owner of the filling station or the manager will say something about it. That is, if they did not buy them. We know Nigeria now. Things like this, Nagada beating, they will just beat the person, especially when it comes to stealing. When you are caught stealing, like if they catch you, say they steal. When you are caught stealing, and your destiny, it run against you that day, my dear, it's straight to hell. There is no second chance. They will just accept it will take the intervention of God. Like I said, if your destiny run against you, or you're not your case. Because before you know, we don't even know where they import tires from. It's straight money. They take laws into their hands. Straight money. You understand? But I think those people, they were trying to escape. So we did not see the end part. We did not see the end part. So I was trying to see, but the camera was just doing like this. It wasn't stable anymore. But I don't really know. I don't want to conclude yet. Honestly. I don't want to conclude yet. But obviously, we've seen that it was water that was coming out from the nozzle. That one is one thing. But what went wrong? They need money desperately. So that's how people now, they will go to Nigeria, or even people living in Nigeria. They will suffer to make money, buy car. Then someone from nowhere, one zombie, will just come, pump water, enter the engine, they knock am. Just like that. Go scot-free, just like that. Or put water for inside person generator. Just knock am, just like that. People are wicked though. But today they see what is greater than them. They begin the wrong go where? Run to where? Where the wrong go? After you don't shit for market, you must pack the shit though. You must pack am. You not fit shit for market, just move like that. But I believe there'll be more to the story. Well, just let me know what you think. Do you think that something went wrong that they didn't know? Or you think they knew about it, they did it deliberately, just to make fast money? Fast lane, just to make money. Do you think they did that just to make money? Or you think they didn't know about it? You understand? So it was a mistake. Or it was not a mistake. They actually did it intentionally. So let's know what you think in the comment section. Drop it there in the comment section. So until I see you next time, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. If you've not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Let's go there. Let's move together. Thank you so much. I'm back, and from henceforth, I'll be updating you guys. Anything I see online, I'll always be here to post it. Okay? Thank you so much. I love you. Have a lovely day. Have yourself a beautiful day. Until I meet you next time, this is from Shell Beautifiers. Bye-bye.